tell her every day. Yeah, I know, when I compliment her, she won't believe me. And it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay, I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while, 'cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Her lips, her lips.
Mami, happy birthday. Wish ko more birthdays to come. Good health and wisdom from God. Yun, salamat sa lahat. Sa pagpapalaki sa amin, lumaki kami maayos. Sa pagpapaaral, lahat. Alam mo na yan, hindi ko na i-mention pa. Napakalaking inspirasyon mo para sa akin, Mami. Yun lang, I love you. Happy birthday ulit. Mama, chup-chup nga pala.
Mami, happy birthday. Sana marami pang birthday na dumating sa'yo. Tsaka gusto ko lagi kang malusog ang pangangatawan, iwas sa mga sakit, tsaka lagi kang tama yung ginagawa mo, lagi kang masaya, tsaka alam kong masaya ka sa trabaho mo, tsaka sa mga dabarkads mo dyan sa school. Tsaka kung ano yung ginagawa mo, tuloy mo lang. Pagpalain ka pa ng Diyos. I love you.
Happy to let you know you make me glow. I feel so good, it's true. So glad that I have you. You love me so. Now all is bright. I'll always thank you for the glow and thank you for the joy. Thank you for the love you give to me. I'm glowing, glowing inside with your love shining through. Thank you for everything you do. I'm glowing inside because of you. Remember my growing years, they're filled with joy because you're there for me. You kiss my fears away, you wipe those tears, you gave me strength each day. I thank you for the glow and thank you for the joy. Thank you for the love you give to me. I'm glowing, glowing inside with your love shining through. Thank you for everything you do.
We were strangers, starting out on a journey, never dreaming what we'd have to go through. Now here we are, and I'm suddenly standing at the beginning with you.
No one told me I was going